Today we talk about how can you enable overnight alerts on your Robinhood app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do in the first, you just go down here, click on this sign down here. So when you just click on it here, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You go above here, this sign, you click on it. So when you click on this sign here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on notifications and the messages here. Then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on push notifications. So then it's going to take you to this list here. So then you click here on stock price movements here. Just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. You will find here overnight alerts. Click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean it's enabled with us now. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.